Howdy, today I'm going to talk to you about biofuels, what they are, and specifically talk about biogas, a type of biofuel. So what exactly are biofuels? Biofuels are liquid fuels made out of biomass being organic matter from plants or animals. These biomasses undergo chemical reactions such as gasification, where biomasses are heated at an extremely high temperature and turn into gas, then turn into biofuels through hydrolysis, where the cells and biomasses are chemically broken down to form biofuels. When looking at biofuels, it's important to not only know what they are, but also what problems they present economically and environmentally. Land use is a big concern for biofuels that may often be overlooked. Crops made for producing biofuels takes up lots of space, meaning less land would be going towards food crop production, and deforestation has also increased. Biofuels also cost a lot to produce and manufacture because they rely on organic matter to be produced. Weather and crop yield can affect prices and cause it to be more expensive. The other problem is greenhouse emissions. While there are less greenhouse emissions than while using fossil fuels, there is still a concern. Not everything with biofuels is problematic. There are also some benefits. First, biofuels help reduce the reliance on fossil fuels. This is because biofuels are renewable energy and can be remade over time. They are also a form of domestic production. This means they are made from organic materials that are easier to access and more widely available. The economic opportunity is also a large benefit. Since creating biofuels require large amounts of crop production, technology, and transportation, there are many job opportunities available. Since biofuels are a renewable resource, it's a more sustainable option. One example of a biofuel, and the one I will be discussing today, is biogas. Biogas is a renewable energy source made from organic materials such as food scraps and animal waste. Unlike some biofuels, biogas is not grown or cultivated, but instead, the organic materials are broken down into a gaseous state and used as an energy source. The materials of biogas are broken down through anaerobic digestion. This is where organic materials are put into a deoxygenated environment and it's broken down through bacterial fermentation. It's later produced into biogas through hydrolysis, acetogenesis, and methanogenesis. To put that into simpler terms, they are broken down into gas by undergoing complex biochemical processes. Biogas has also become more easily accessible and is becoming more widespread over time. With all kinds of biofuels, biogas has its own set of problems. There have been few technological advancements making it stay expensive and not being produced as efficiently. Biogas also contains impurities, making it unsuitable for automobiles and engines, and it isn't suitable for metropolitan areas because biogases are currently produced for smaller populations. But it also has some benefits as well. Biogas is eco-friendly due to it being a renewable resource and being a sustainable option. It reduces water and soil pollution by using organic materials and breaking them down, meaning there's less waste in landfills and runoff. It also produces an organic fertilizer from the byproduct of biogas production. In my personal opinion, I think biogas is a beneficial resource that will only improve over time. Researchers say that they will continue to invest and expand this biofuel, and I think that biogas is a solution to many sustainability issues. As with most products and resources, there is more to be improved. I think the cost can be better improved by bettering the technology, lowering waste so less energy would be used, and compound production sites so they're easier to transport. In order to improve this process, I believe using mostly food scraps or food crops that are not eligible for human or animal consumption can be done to limit waste and help with efficient land use. It's also important to spread awareness to the public on biogas and how it affects our daily lives. While there are many benefits, more can always be done. The following citations are resources I used to research biogas and biofuels. Thanks for listening.